Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanasia. This is your first time watching. Here on my channel, I focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and I also do a little bit of DIY. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss another upload. So today we're doing a collective haul. So I'm showing you everything I purchased from February, March, and the beginning of April. This started out as a March haul, and then I was like, let me show y'all everything that I purchased. So let's go ahead and get into it. So my Ultra Plan Co. annual planner just came in back in February, and I've been writing in it. So if y'all need a planner, I do have a coupon code for you all. It's CK2021 for 10% off. This planner is the dated 12-month planner, but I feel like the semi-annual 6-month undated planner will be great for you all right now because I think it's cheaper, and on top of that, it's undated and it's just 6 months, and we're already into our 4th month of the year. Also in February, I picked up some sneakers. Actually, Sneakers app allowed me to get a pair of sneakers because you already know how they be acting. So I have the silver toes. These came out in February. I got early access on these, and the only reason why I purchased these is because I have a Janet Jackson Rhythm Nation shirt, and I wanted that shirt to go with the Ambush Dunks, and obviously I did not get them. So I was like, this is like the second best thing for the outfit. So I got these at retail, and we love that. We love a good pickup at retail because resale is not where it's at. So in March, I picked up this hat from St. Cole. I found out about this brand from another influencer. Her name is D Lolo on Instagram, and that's how I got introduced to the brand. And their hats are very inexpensive. They're very affordable. This hat was like $25. I did a video on a Lack of Colors dupe, which was the Urban Outfitters hat fedora. And that one I think retails for like a little bit over $40, and this is like $21. And I love that this hat has a better fit for my head. Even though I have a small head, I love like that my head has a little bit of room, and it's just a really cute, nice hat. Now I was very skeptical at first because I love like a wide brim, and this brim is like wide enough for me. So I'm excited to buy more hats. They also have some summer hats as well. Also, during the month of March, I picked up this coin. Is it a coin? No. This is a card wallet. My bad. And this is from Coach. And I already have my stuff in here. And it's big enough to fit a little bit of money in here. Maybe like $20, $30, maybe $50. Depending on how many bills you have. You can fit some money in here and also some cards. I have a good bit of cards in here. About 7 to 8 cards. And you can also put your license out on this side. So I put my license out here. I just took it out for the video because I don't want y'all to see my license. And on the other side, I have my AAA card and my other roadside assistance card. So yeah. And this was only $25. So I saw that one on sale for like $23. This was super inexpensive. And that's the only reason why I purchased this Coach one, because other card wallets I've seen have been actually more than this, and they weren't really like, I wouldn't say a name brand or whatever, but I just need another card wallet. So that's why I purchased this. I also purchased a tie-dye kit, and this came from Sam's Club. This was like under $20. I think it was like $18 for all these colors. It's a 138-piece kit, and also comes with glitter fabric spray and some colors. I don't know how many colors come in here. That's 5. So 10 colors. You get some big, some small. I want this kit because I want to tie dye some socks. I don't know if tie-dye, I feel like tie-dye is not really like a big trend how it was last year, but I still want me some tie-dye socks. So that's why I picked this up. Next, I headed over to Bath and Body Works, and well, this says White Barn, but that's the same thing. And for the free, because I don't feel like I shopped there that much, but over the winter, not winter, Christmas, I shopped there a lot, so I built up a lot of rewards. So had 2 rewards, and I bought these 2 candle holders, which I'm going to exchange because I don't like these and they did not have the one that I wanted. And both of these are free because the rewards, I think it's up to $16.50 item, anything that you want in the store. So I got these. And don't you love like getting stuff for free? I do. And these I think are like $12, $13. This one's $15.95 and this one's $15.95 too. So, you know, there's not a haul unless you have something from Amazon. So, I bought this U-part wig cap because the hair that I had in my head, like back in November, December, January, it was really good hair. So, I took out my head, washed it, capped it, and I want to make a U-part wig with it. So, I felt like I could do it on my own with the help of YouTube. So, I bought this from a seller on Amazon, and I think it was like only like $5, $7. So I heard you can get these cheaper at the beauty supply store, but it's easier to go on Amazon. Next, what I talked about in my MacBook Pro unboxing video was getting a USB hub, and I finally purchased one in space gray. This was, I think, under $30. And I like that the amount of ports that I have, because some of the hubs, they don't have the HDMI, which is right here. They don't have an extra port on the end. So that's why I really love this one, and it made me want to pick it up, and it works flawlessly. So that's everything from Amazon. I'm looking everywhere because I have everything all over the place. We'll do Ulta last. So from an account that I follow on Twitter, it's called Makeup for Women of Color. It's a young esthetician named Tiara, and she knows her stuff. Like, she's that girl, like she's amazing. And I always look at what she buys and what she suggests. And one product that she talked about on her page is Paula's Choice, and she actually had a coupon code for Paula's Choice, so I decided to pick 2 things up. And one thing that she talked about is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and this is 4 fluid ounces, and I just picked this up on my own because I saw this on TikTok. And this is the Weightless body treatment, 2% BHA, and this is 7 fluid ounces. And I already started using these products because I've had them since the beginning of March, and I love both of these products. When I put on my makeup now, it lays different. The amount of acne that I've been getting, it's been like little to none. Like it's working on my face. It's doing its job. It's giving what it needs to give. So I would say this is like, I can't think of the price off the top of my head. I think it's like $27. I mean, like, it's expensive, but it's worth it. Both of these, I think this is around the same price too, but they're both products that I could say like they changed my skin. Like, I would say that this is definitely worth it. Another product that Makeup for Women of Color suggested, which I've been using I think since last year, maybe September, is CeraVe Healing Ointment, which is so hard to find now. Like, I started looking for this days before I actually was able to purchase it because I was running low. Everywhere was out of stock. I ended up having to get this 12-ounce can, and this should last me a hot minute because I'm still on my other one, but I was scared that I was going to run out. So I decided to get this. But here's a little tip. If you receive the circulars, the Sunday paper, and the coupons, you'll find CeraVe's you'll find their coupons and clip it out and use it, because that's what I used to purchase this from CVS because it was the only place that had it, and I got the last one. So Target has been taking my coins like everybody else's, and I decided to pick up this toner because I was out, and it's from Rosen, and Rosen is a black owned brand, and I really like this toner. So I've been using this toner since the beginning of March along with the Paula's Choice, and this is how much I have left. So I feel like this toner can last maybe 3 months, which I feel like that's a pretty decent. So I'll just take like a cotton pad, and after I wash my face, put the toner on, and then I'll follow it up with the Paula's Choice. But I really do like this product. It's one of the best toners that I feel like I've ever used. Next, I talk about this brand all the time. I feel like I talk about it all the time. It's been a couple videos. TGIN, and I decided to finally pick up some of their shampoo and conditioner, leave-in, you name it. I purchased it because it was on sale. So I have the Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask, and basically everything is from the Miracle Repair line that I purchased except one thing. I purchased the leave-in conditioner. Absolutely amazing. Already started using it. I used it on my hair this time that I washed it, and my hair laid completely differently than it normally has. And I've been using products that I normally use, so I'm like, maybe it's this product. And this is still in the wrap because I had to get this one sent. The Strengthening Shampoo. And then they did not have the conditioner in the Miracle RX. Is this right? No, I said it wrong. Miracle Repair RX. They did not have it in that, so I had to end up getting the Triple Moisture Conditioner, which I actually really like this conditioner, so I wasn't mad at that. That's everything hair-wise that I got. Next, which I'll do a video on this because I was very interested to get these products because they were on sale, because Target did kind of like the 21 Days of Beauty, but was it 21 Days of Beauty? They just did something similar, and they had these that whole line, which is like a teeth whitening line, on sale. And I think it was like 50% off because I think this is normally $40 and this is like $7. And I remember getting this for $20 and about $3.99 for this. And TikTok made me get it because a lot of people talk about how great their art products are. So I was like, let me get it myself. But I didn't get what the people said on TikTok to get because the reviews on it wasn't that great. So I got the Art Whitening Tray Whitening Gel and Storage Case. This, and then I got the After Brushing Whitening Booster. And I wanted to get this because it's similar to the whitening trays that I actually purchased from my dentist, which is really expensive. She gave me a discount. It was still expensive. So I wanted to see if this was just as good for the fraction of the price, because I think this retails for $40. So I was like, let me do like a little review on this for you all. Last but not least, I have some products from Ulta. Ulta had their 21 Days of Beauty, which just ended. And I started off by getting the Buxom Plumping Lip Cream in Hot Toddy because this is absolutely my favorite. Lip plumper, lip gloss. I feel like it plumps, but it's not like a drastic plump. It's not nothing crazy. But I just really like the color of this. And funny story. So, Homecoming 2019, I left my lip gloss at my friend Lily's apartment. So we get to Cabo because I don't think that was like the next time I saw her. Or it was just like she finally had it with her to give to me. So she gives to me. I'm in my head, I'm like, why should she give me this? Like, this is not mine. Like, blah, blah, blah. I realized, like, not later, but between that time period, me getting it from her, that I lost it, but then I thought I found it, but actually it was an old one. So when she gave it to me, I was like, oh, this isn't mine. It's not mine. So she threw it in the trash. Why was that the new one? And then I realized afterwards that that was the one that I was actually looking for. And then I basically threw away a brand new lip gloss. And I was like, it wasn't her fault. It was my fault for not realizing what she was giving me. So, here we go. I'm back in the game with my lip gloss. Well, lip cream. It's actually worth it, y'all. So, y'all should definitely get it. Next, I purchased the face cleanser and cream repair cream. Sorry. From First Aid Beauty. I've used this in sample form. And I liked it. Something to travel with because I always need travel size cleansers and everything, and I used it and I actually really liked it. Next, I have these lip liners from KKW. Everyone on YouTube talks about like how great these lip liners are, and these were like $6 during the 21 Days of Beauty, so I was like, let me try them. So I got Nude 2.5 and Nude 2. Then the last thing I purchased, it wasn't part of the 21 Days of Beauty, but I just needed something to get me over to get free shipping, and I purchased the Minted Cosmetics, which is a black owned brand, their foundation stick, and this is what it looks like. And this is my shade. Actually, it's not my shade because it does not match, but when I did try it on to see if it matched, it looks really good, but it's just not my color. And I did the matching quiz on their website and said that this is my color, but it's just too dark. So I think I'll pick up another one in the shade that I think I am, but this shade is T20. If you're my skin complexion, you don't need this color. You need to go down. But I actually like the formula and how it looks on the skin. So that is it for today's video. Everything that I purchased. I think I showed y'all everything. Yeah, I showed y'all everything. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss another upload. And I will see you all next time. Bye, y'all.